Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation on my RAV4 from Cartrimhome. So let's get to it. I have this new set of interior lights for my RAV4. This is a little bit different. I already reviewed one from Cartrimhome about the lights, but those lights didn't have a switch. This one, it has a switch to turn them on and off. So let me show you what I have right now on the RAV4, and I'm gonna show you later why this set probably is gonna be better. Right now I have this set from Cartrimhome, which is one light in there, another one in there, and another one right there. Basically this system is the same but now with the switch. Why? Because some people complain about the light being too bright and probably it's not gonna be good at night when you're driving. And I noticed that that light, when it's too bright, you can't see out of that mirror. So if you dim the lights, you're gonna pretty much going all the way down, and you bring the lights brighter with this dimmer right here. They're gonna get brighter as well. So it works with the lights on the RAV4. And if you don't know, you have the dimmer right here. So it works with the lights. You can turn it high, bright, and dim. Now this system is gonna work pretty much the same. You can dim the light, you can do the same thing as this set, but with the switch. So I'm gonna remove this light, and it's basically the same. The connector is right here on the AC controls. I just have to remove the control, unplug it, and plug the new one and stick the lights in there. So basically it's the same thing, but for those that don't know, you have a dimmer right here and it works with those lights. So now let me remove those lights and put the new ones with a switch. These right here are the old ones. I already removed one of the plugs. I have two extra plugs. I'm gonna put the switch right there next to my steering wheel. Now I'm just gonna bring the connection, plug it in, and this one has to go in the same place like the other one and run all my lights. One is gonna be the long one there, the mid size there, and the very small one here on the cubby. I have the switch connected. I have this connected. Now I'm just gonna test, see if everything works on the lights. Then I can remove the adhesive, run my cables so nobody sees the cables around there like I did on my last episode. But for now, let's see if it works. Super bright blue light. Now let's see if the dimmer works. Yep, same thing as before. And switch on, off. Now you can turn them on and off if you don't like them or if you don't see at night, and then you have the power to turn them on and off with the switch. And dimmer works as well. So I think this system is better than the last one because now you have the power to have them on or off. Now let me just run the cables. This cable from the switch is gonna go under the steering column I'm gonna put it inside right here, this plastic, and run it right here. And same thing for the other one, like I have it before. I have everything pretty much set up. This cable for the one in the middle is gonna go inside here. I just have to push it with my tool. This cable for the long LED is right here. I just push it with the same tool. That one is set up already. For the small one on that side, the only thing I need to do is connect this, plug it in, and remove the plastic to expose the adhesive, stick it right here, and pretty much I'll be done. I had to do the same thing with that one. That one is already in place. Cable is right there, you barely see it. It runs underneath. I just have to push it down a little bit more so nobody can see it. Cable is running right here on top. I push it with the tool. Both of the cables, the one for the switch and the one for the LED, they go right here in between these plastic covers. So pretty much everything is in place. On the kit, you also want to have a adhesive promoter, so you can just grab this wipe, clean in there, and then stick your LEDs. Now everything is ready and everything is in place. Lights are on and I turned the switch off, so let's turn it on. There you have it. Super bright, but you can dim the lights, put them down if you don't like them too bright, or if you're driving at night and for some reason you can't see or the lights bother you, turn them off. And there you have it. You can even see the cables anywhere. I'm gonna have the lights on pretty much at all times, but I like to drive at night with my dash lights not too bright, pretty much right there. So you barely see them. They're not too super bright. They're just on point. And if for some reason I'm trying to use my mirrors and I cannot see, I can just turn them off and it's gonna be perfect. Way better than the last system, but this is pretty much the same installation, same everything, same connection, but now you have the power to turn them on and off like I said before. So there you have it. Installation is done. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this new set for any RAV4. And last time I did this panel, I put this panel from the premium because I have more slides, more little switches to put my stuff. So now I have my steering wheel, my LEDs, the trunk, and automatic lights, and the dimmer. I hope you like this episode, guys. Link in the description for these new lights if you want to get them. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.